What? You love me? And I love you, Luca. Thank you. Gracias, mi amor. Hola, Olivia. Hola. Say, I love you, Mama.